Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 7, the story of cooking food. In today's session, we are going to learn about the importance of cooking food. Cooking makes food suitable for consumption. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 7, the story of cooking food. Topic, importance of cooking food. Before going to the session, we check our previous knowledge by doing I know activity. Put a right or wrong for the given statement. First I read a sentence. The first one, body building foods help our body to grow bigger and stronger. The second one, proteins are the nutrients that keep our body warm. The third one, calcium is needed for building strong bones and teeth. Fourth one, balanced diet contains all nutrients in proper amounts. Fifth one, roughage is required for maintaining normal body temperature. The second question, name some sources of vitamin C. Let us check our answer. Body building food helps our body to grow bigger and stronger. This is the right statement, so you put right. The second one, proteins are the nutrients that keep our body warm. It is given wrong, so you have to put wrong. The third one, calcium is needed for building strong bones and teeth. It's the right statement, so you put tick. The fourth one, a balanced diet contains all the nutrients in proper amounts. It's the right statement, so you have to put right. The fifth one, roughage is required for maintaining normal body temperature. It is a wrong statement, so you put wrong. The second question, the answer it is, name the 3 sources of vitamin C. They are lemon, orange, tomatoes and amla. Then let us learn new words from this lesson. The first word, oven. A device used for heating, baking or roasting food. The second word, fuel. Anything that produces heat on burning. Raw, which means uncooked. Solar energy. Energy that we get from the sun. Ailment and illness. Delicious, which means tasty. Food is one of the basic needs of our life. Foods provide energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. It contains essential nutrients to keep our body healthy. Why do we need food? We need food because it gives energy, it promotes growth, it improves immunity, it helps our body repair itself. Food can be classified into 2 types. They are raw food and cooked food. What is raw food? Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. Examples, fruits, carrot, groundnut seeds, etc. The second classification is cooked food. Cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Examples, rice, vegetable curry, etc. Cooking is the process of preparing food for eating by heating it. We cook food because cooking makes food soft so that it is easy to eat and digest. Cooking makes the food tasty as salt and spices are added to it. Cooking also kills the germs that are present in raw food. Food is eaten both raw and cooked. Fruits are mostly eaten raw. We generally cook most vegetables before eating, but there are some vegetables that can be eaten in raw form too. For example, cucumber and tomato taste good even when eaten raw. There are some foods that cannot be eaten without cooking them. For example, cereals and pulses. Do you know, children, when food is overcooked, its nutritional value is lost. So, avoid overcooking some of the food. I hope you got clear information about importance of cooking food. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.